Hello everyone, welcome to SOLIDWORKS quick tip. In this video I am going to show you how to add material to the favorite list in SOLIDWORKS. What is material favorite list? Material favorite list enable you to assign material to a part file faster than usual. You can access material favorite list by right clicking on material icon in feature manager design tree of a part file. When you right click on material icon, you can see set of materials available in favorite list. Rubber, nickel, copper, brass, those are the list that I have added to my favorite list. Let's see how we can add more material to the list. We can add material to the favorite list by opening up material dialog box. You can access material dialog box by right clicking on material icon and selecting edit material. Now you are in material dialog box and you have to go to favorite tab to add material to the favorite list, or you can directly open up material dialog box with favorite tab by selecting manage favorite, which is more faster. And now you are in you have the list. Adding material to the list is easy. First, browse the material that you want to add to the list. I'm going to add this aluminium 1060 alloy steel and then simply click on add. The material is added to the favorite list. If you want to get rid of any material, simply select the material and click on remove. The material is removed. And also you can reorder this material list by using these two commands. You can move the selected material up and down using these two buttons. I will bring these aluminium alloys to the top. Once everything is done, just simply click on close. Now let's see if the material is added to the favorite list. Right click on material icon and now you can see the 1060 alloy steel is added to the list. So when you want to apply this material to the part, simply select the material. Now you can see the material is added. And when you are in assembly environment, simply select the right click on the part file that you want to add the material and then click on material, and then you can access material favorite list and select the material that you want to apply to the part. The material is added. This method help you to avoid few steps that you usually follow applying material to a part by opening up material dialog box and browsing for the material. I hope this is useful. If you find this is interesting, please hit like so that I know what type of video you want me to add. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon not to miss another one. Thank you everyone for watching.